Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. In the convert stage of the inbound methodology, the focus shifts towards turning interested visitors into leads by getting their contact information, usually in exchange for something valuable like an ebook. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Engaged visitors. These are individuals who have interacted with your content during the attract stage and are looking for more in-depth information. An ebook can provide this, serving as a valuable resource in exchange for their contact details. Potential leads seeking specific solutions. Visitors at this stage often have a clear understanding of their problem or need and are looking for detailed solutions. Ebooks tailored to their specific interests or problems can convert them into leads. Business professionals considering services or products. In a B2B context, professionals who are considering purchasing services or products for their company can be converted into leads through ebooks that offer detailed insights, case studies, or industry reports. Educational enthusiasts and students, those looking for comprehensive knowledge in a field of study, can be converted through ebooks that offer in-depth academic or practical content beyond what free blog posts or articles might provide. Health and wellness advocates. Individuals who are deeper into their health and wellness journey might be interested in ebooks offering advanced guides, detailed diet plans, or in-depth fitness programs. DIY hobbyists and crafters. This group might be interested in ebooks that provide detailed project guides, advanced techniques, or comprehensive material lists, offering more than just basic how-tos. Tech enthusiasts and early adopters. Those interested in technology might be converted into leads through ebooks offering deep dives into new technologies, advanced user guides, or future tech trends. Home buyers and real estate investors. Individuals in the real estate market could be converted through ebooks that offer comprehensive buying guides, investment strategies, or market analyses. In the convert stage, ebooks are effective because they offer something of substantial value that can justify a visitor providing their contact information. They allow businesses to demonstrate their expertise and provide useful content, which helps build trust with potential leads, making it more likely that these leads will eventually become customers. Thanks for watching. I am Professor Vernon with Optimark Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.